what will win in a drag race between a Porsche 911 Turbo S, completely standard, and an Audi RS3 with a built engine, or a BMW M5 with a built engine? Well, we are going to find out in this incredible race we've got on today. So let me tell you about the Porsche. It's got a 3.8 litre twin turbo flat six with 650 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque, 8-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox, all-wheel drive, and it weighs 1,650 kilos. Quite an expensive car, £156,000 starting price. This Audi, much cheaper. So new, it was about £45,000, but then it's had 30 grand's worth of engine upgrades, completely rebuilt, pistons, rods, meth injection, huge turbo, too much for me to mention. It's actually running on E85 fuel as well, not normal pump fuel. It's putting out 800 horsepower. You can put out 850, but we might be traction limited, so we dialed it back to 800. Still got 950 newton meters of torque. That is insane. This car weighs around 1,500 kilos. Obviously 4-wheel drive and a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. It's going to be interesting to see how this little 2.5 litre 5-cylinder performs with all that power inside of it. That BMW is equally as crazy. 4.4 litre twin turbo V8, but it's tuned to 1,000 horsepower, 1,100 newton meters of torque. It's nuts. 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control, 4-wheel drive. It's heavy though, it's around 2 tons. For the normal M5, you're talking about £100,000, then 30 grand on top for all the upgrades, which are very similar to this, only it's not running on E85 fuel, just normal pump fuel for that one. It doesn't have its launch control working though. That's the big thing about that BMW, whereas this does, and of course the Porsche does. Guess who's driving?
Parking mode on.
Not the Porsche. Oh no.
Where did that noise come from?
From the far side, the BMW.
Can't see Matt. Put him on the end.
We've got Yanni.
It's on my own.
Hey Jan, so you're in a high performance M5 from Evolve.
I'm actually really disappointed that I'm on the end. I can't even see you, Matt. There's a car in between us. Gutted.
I don't normally like to let a car come between us, Jan. I might be able to send out a signal to you in the form of my raspy exhaust. Now have a listen to this.
It's good.
Let's have a listen to yours. This is so noisy in here, I'm going to have to put the window down.
Nice.
Shall we hear the Porsche for a laugh?
I like the way the car actually moves.
That's the only way I know is revving it, because I can't hear anything. This is so noisy inside. Who owns that car that you're driving?
So this car belongs to Ricky.
So that's Ricky from Living Life Fast, yeah?
Yep.
But both these cars are actually tuned by Evolve Automotive. There is a link to their channel in the description below. You can check that out.
This car is supposedly very fast. I'm excited to see how quick it really is. Let's race, man. Let's do this.
Before we race though, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Okay, let's do it.
Buying a new car? Then head to carwow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Carwow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
There's something a little bit odd when you launch this car. It will run in automatic mode until 4th gear, and then after that I have to change it to 5th, 6th and 7th myself, for some reason. Also, you might have seen an RS3 that's been tuned go up against a Porsche 911 Turbo S before on our channel. It didn't manage to win, though it was very quick. It's going to be interesting to see what happens here with the Evolve tuned version of the RS3. Also, we've had a BMW from Evolve with 1,000 horsepower go up against a Porsche 911 Turbo S, but it was the cab and it just won. What will happen with a different M5 tuned by Evolve with 1,000 horsepower going up against the coupe version of the Turbo S? We're going to find out. Let's just do it. Come on, let's race. I've got a feeling this car is going to be absolutely bloody brutal. Come on. Right.
Damn, both both of them look quick.
I don't know where everyone went.
The car turned off on me just as the arms were going up, so I was doing the horn, but then yeah, you lot had already gone.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, no. It shit itself.
The car wouldn't go from third to fourth.
All these tuned cars, man, for fuck's sake.
You had the Porsche there, Yanni. Jesus.
It wouldn't go from third to fourth on its own. I'll do it manual myself. Let's go again.
3, 2, 1.
It's not going to fuel in it.
Should I put some fuel in over there? Bring the car over there.
First time, beautiful.
Yeah, we saw it.
Classic. Do you reckon it's fuel? It didn't feel like it. Because it was at the top end of the rev range when it was just like, went burr. It's like its gearbox said no thank you. Oh, it's so dark now. Have you locked him as well? You've got, where are the keys in there?
It's in the subconscious.
Oh, the centre con. Oh, yeah. Do you reckon that's enough now?
Yeah.
Nuts!
Beating the Porsche.
Now I've got to take command. Death to the Porsche 911 Turbo S.
Wow. That was a very good start from the Porsche, but my life, the RS3.
My car just turned off on me. Why did it do that?
So then what exactly happened? Well, the tuned Audi did the standing quarter mile in 9.9 seconds. That's the best time in any carwow drag race and the first sub 10-second car. Meanwhile, the tuned BMW came second with a time of 10.1 seconds. And the standard Porsche was last with the still impressive quarter mile time of 10.2 seconds.
Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Cars in comfort mode, automatic mode for the gearbox. Get level, everyone.
3, 2, 1, go.
Kick down, that's it. Oh, that BMW's gone.
Wow.
Don't know what happened there. I have to change it to 5th, 6th and 7th myself. Didn't like it. Porsche's gone now. That's a win for the BMW, no problem there.
This is fast, man.
Okay, this time rolling race 50 miles an hour, sports mode in manual.
3,
Oh my God!
Gone. Drivetrain.
Oh, this is so quick now. Oh, no, it bailed again.
Drivetrain gone.
What happened?
Drivetrain, car's dead, it's gone.
Oh dear.
Just stopping it, turning it off and on again.
Ricky's car itself.
Well, if it's just a drivetrain error,
Yeah.
then it just has to restart it. They say drivetrain error for anything.
This thing did it again. I'm going to short shift probably about 6.5 on it.
It's back.
Can in 3, 2, 1, go.
No, this is not happy.
It's like they take it in turns which one to work and which one not to work.
Okay, now we're going for a rolling race in third gear, 50 miles an hour. I'm going to count it in. Here we go. 3, 2.
1, go.
That BMW's gone now. Can I catch him? This thing's nuts. Whoa, the Porsche's been destroyed.
This car's no joke, mate. When it's on it, it's on it.
I've never seen a 911 turbo just get so destroyed, have you?
Mate, that 911 turbo, it eats everything, but these two cars, serious.
Apparently this car needs a gearbox service. That BMW has like Ghost and stuff like that, which is a theft prevention thing, so you have to keep turning it off and on, so by the time he's ready to launch, it's got to reset everything and we're all gone. So annoying. Anyway, brake test. When we hit the line, full emergency stop from 70 miles an hour. What's going to happen? BMW won. What about between me and you in the Porsche?
I think you might have just edged it.
Mate, I can see directly between the two cars.
And it is a millimetre. You can't actually tell it's that close.
I think we'll call that a draw. BMW smashing the rolling races, won the brake test. This wins the drag race. The quickest car on carwow.